Before I get into today's topic, I would like to say a big thank you to everyone who has been watching, liking, and commenting on my videos. I put a lot of effort in creating insightful content. Therefore, I appreciate your love and support. And if you have not yet subscribed, please take a moment and hit that subscribe button. It will not cost you anything and it will help me reach many more people. So thank you. Today, I would like to offer some insight on promotion and salary negotiations. This is something I have done successfully throughout my career, and I must tell you, it is life-changing when you understand how it works. Many people are exceptional workers. They add a lot of value to their organizations, and they help their teams reach various levels of success with their ingenuity, leadership, and commitment. However, deep inside, they feel unappreciated because A, they don't get the credit they deserve, and B, they are poorly compensated for their contributions. And what is so fascinating about some of these people is that they never take action to address their dissatisfaction, yet they are still hopeful that on a random afternoon, their boss will call them into their office and offer them the promotion and pay raise they have so passionately been waiting for. Unfortunately, this is a big mistake that turns into a huge disappointment for many people, because for as long as they have waited, that moment may never come. And even if it does, they often do not get the promotions and compensations they were hoping for. Therefore, they become even more frustrated. On the other hand, even people who take matters into their own hands by asking for a promotion or pay increase make the mistake of asking in a way that makes them appear undeserving. They are unassertive and they tend to express their request apologetically or without substance. Personally, I have always been conscious about my role in different organizations, and I've always been persistent in obtaining what I deserve in terms of promotion and salary demands. What I do consistently well is being proactive in having those conversations. I am also straightforward in highlighting the things I do efficiently to add value to the organization. I also underline the things I do to support other functions of the business that are beyond my job description to show growth and adaptability. And I am not afraid to engage in salary negotiations with or without an opportunity for promotion. In fact, this is a method I illustrated in much more detail in my book, Overarching Principles. I have also told personal stories on how I successfully overcame various challenges one may face in the process of requesting a promotion and negotiating a salary. I will put a link of my book in the descriptions, so be sure to check it out when you have a chance. You will not be disappointed. If there is one thing you must take from me on this topic, it is to never make the mistake of downplaying your accomplishments or undervaluing yourself when asking for a promotion or a pay increase. And when you obtain that promotion, make sure the salary you are being offered meets your standards. And if it does not, you must make the effort to express your demands and be willing to engage in negotiations to boost your income. And when you learn to be at the forefront of your salary negotiations, you will gradually start earning like an executive.